Hello everyone, and welcome once again to my channel. It is Ali here with another video for you guys. If you are new to my channel, then please go ahead and take a second to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So your girl is back with another video, and I guess this can officially be called like my Homebody Series. If you don't know, and if you aren't aware, I'm usually home majority of the time, like on my days off of work. I stay home, you know. I don't really have much to do. The most is probably like visit my parents and family and so on and so forth, but for the most part I usually stay home. I like my solo time, I like my solitude, I like peace in my life. So my home, I've made sure that it completely reflects that, since, you know, I'm usually here majority of the time just recharging and getting my mind in order for what's to come in the rest of the week. So with that being said, I went to Target to pick up a couple of things. So this is gonna be like a little haul and just me setting up my new baby, because I needed a floor lamp for the longest. I already have one, but I'll give you guys an overall view of my studio apartment. That way you guys can see the feel of it. And the current lamp that I have now is just not doing it for me. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. So this is pretty much like from the main entrance of my apartment. Once you've come in through the entryway, this is the first thing that you see. Don't mind my laundry, but I have my bookshelf here, and then just the overall vibe of my place is just plants and pictures, memorabilia, lots of art. I really love art on the wall. And then the lamp, the floor lamp. And this is my current setup for my bed. I picked up everything at Marshall's. So the bedding sheets, the throw, some extra pillows, that was all Marshall's. And then over here, I just have my clothing rack set up, my Monstera, and some more art on the wall. But yeah, pretty much I want to switch out this floor lamp for the one that I currently just picked up. So obviously all the light shoots upward into the ceiling, so it spreads the light out really nicely. But the thing that gets me is just that it's a black base, and I just don't like how it, you know, like it doesn't flow for me from here to there. Like once I see that, it's like, I just need it to go. So I went ahead and picked up this one by Threshold, which is stunning. It has an industrial feel, but it definitely just ties in with the rest of my apartment. And I really loved the clear lampshade, the glass lampshade, pretty much. That way you can see the bulb, so it'll give that like dreamy, ethereal feel to my apartment, which I feel is going to finally tie everything together, and it'll just be one less thing to worry about in my place before I start decorating any other locations in my apartment. So that is pretty much going to be my little project for today. I'm also gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got at Target, which wasn't much really. It was honestly like a spontaneous run just to get some things for myself, mainly the lamp and some gifts, because as you all know, it's Mother's Day weekend. Mother's Day is approaching, and also my girlie Aja just moved into an apartment. Congratulations, girl. So I got her gift, and yeah, so let me just show you the rest of the items that I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this coffee mug, because I was on the hunt for a new coffee mug for the longest. I lost my last one that was gifted to me, and I honestly don't even know how. I think I was just in a funky week where I was misplacing everything, so I ended up losing it, and I decided to pick up this one. This is by what brand is this? OCS Designs, and it's an insulated stainless tumbler, so you can keep your drinks either cold or hot, 24 hours cold, 24 hours cold and 12 hours hot actually. So I picked this one up. It retailed for $10 over at Target, and I just thought it was really cute and perfect for, you know, any morning I want to have a good cup of joe. And then I got this really cute PJ set. This is by the brand Colsey, and it's just this cute little gray tank with like the frayed bottom. So adorable. And then it has the matching shorts in the same style. These are really cute because it's starting to get warmer out, and so it gets warmer in the house, and ain't nobody got time to be sweating in the middle of the night while they sleep. So I just like to make sure that I am comfy and that I have fresh clothing on. That way, you know, I just feel really fresh while I'm sleeping. Especially after a bomb shower, you put on a nice set of PJs, you're gonna sleep like a baby. So I picked this one up. It caught my eye, and gray is one of my favorite colors, so I obviously had to get that. And my mug and my lamp. So now I'm gonna stop chatting and let's set this lamp up, shall we? Cool. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and removed everything out of the styrofoam packaging, and this is pretty much what the lamp looks like broken down. It's just your basic floor lamp. If you have floor lamps already, which I'm sure you do, then you know that all you have to do is really just connect the main 3 bars together, and then it's just the main head, the base, as well as the lampshade. So mine is glass, so I put that on my bed because I gotta be very, very careful with that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and set the main pieces up. And if I'm not mistaken, this is also a touch lamp. We'll find out once I'm done with it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And as you can see, the finish isn't necessarily like a gold. It's more of like a brassy, I don't know, like a brassy, almost copper color, which I'm really digging. And it adds to that industrial feel. But yeah, enough talking. Let's just set it up. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set pretty much put the pieces together. Do we see a theme here? Look at my desk lamp. But yeah, I went ahead and set the pieces together. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit shorter than my other floor lamp, but that's okay. This is as high as the lever allowed me to go, so this is going to be the highest point. And before I apply the lampshade, I'm gonna set it up over in that corner that I had. Please don't mind my dying monstera. I'm gonna set it up in that corner first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the lampshade so that we can see how it ties in with the rest of the room. Okay, so I finished setting up the lamp while my old one is posted up behind me, but I finished setting it up. The only issue that I've run into is that it looks like I'm gonna have to go downstairs and buy a smaller bulb, because the instructions say 18 watts or 40 watts. I have 43 watt bulbs. So it's gonna be really crazy if this works, just because I get a new bulb that's literally 3 watts less than the one I have now. But she looks, look at her, okay, right at home. Now that looks so much better. Just I really like how it looks, and I love the glass lampshade. I thought that was a really nice touch. So I'm gonna go downstairs and hopefully find some 40 watt bulbs. I'm gonna do this quick, probably check CVS is my best bet, because I know the hardware store is definitely closed now. So yeah, I'll be right back with that bulb, and hopefully she finally turns on. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's really warm out, but I'm back, and I went out and picked up some 40 watt light bulbs, because apparently that's what the lamp wants. So the lamp gets what she wants. And so I picked up these at my hardware store. Hopefully they work on the first try. We're about to find out, because my 43 watt bulbs were not working for nothing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of these out. I don't know what the difference is, but that's what it wants. So let's just go ahead and install this bad boy. Let there be lights. Wow. She looks beautiful. Okay, so I figured out what was happening. You see what happens when you're stubborn? Oh my gosh. So the 43 watt bulbs, the base was too big to fit all the way into the socket. That way, you know, the base of any lamp socket, it has that little band that's supposed to touch the back of the bulb. That wasn't happening with my 43 watt because the base was too big, so it wasn't. And I kind of figured, I was like, could it be that it's not touching the band in the back? But I was just like, oh, if I screw it in a little tighter, it'll work. That thing was not turning on for nothing. These are smaller and it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then the glass lampshade really gives it just that nice feel. Come on, camera, focus. It just looks so pretty. I love it. So Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that that finally like worked out, and it just looks so good. I'm also gonna have to be very careful about not touching the glass lampshade. Like my fingerprints are all over that thing, so I'm about to clean it. And I'm gonna give you the overall vibe of the apartment now with my new lamp. This is what you get excited for when you get older, okay? It's I still love buying like clothes, but furnishing my home and really making it my own makes me so happy inside. So let me give you guys the overall feel of my apartment now. Alright y'all, so that pretty much concludes today's video. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if I should make this a series. I think if I move on with it, I'll definitely make it the Homebody series. That way you guys can see just all the little tidbits of what goes on with me when I am home. 99% of the time I am usually figuring out new ways to revamp my home, to add more character to it, and also to switch it up. I've been talking about my bathroom for the longest, and I really want to start getting that in order. My theme or my plans for it is to definitely give it that jungle vibe and add more plants in there. So if you guys could recommend great plants that do well in the bathroom, I would highly appreciate it. I haven't purchased any because I'm really afraid that they're gonna die in there, just because there's no light other than the fluorescent bulbs from the lighting in my bathroom. So that would be really, really helpful. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.